Yo guys, what's good? Currently pulled up in a car park, in a service station, somewhere in the UK.
South Mims, actually.
Alright, cool. Where are we?
South Mims.
South Mims. We're in South Mims. So if anybody's about and they want to come through, come find me in a car park, South Mims, in London. Let's see if you can get here in time. And we'll talk charts. We'll start talking charts in the car park. So like, that's where we are right now. All right, cool. Let's get to it. Let's have a conversation. All right, then here we go, guys. So if you are new and you're passing through to the channel, my name is Tino. I'm your host. Welcome to Traders Reality. Let's have a conversation. So, stuck in this car park and paying attention to what's going on with Bitcoin right now. Over the past couple of streams, we've been talking about the potential zones that Bitcoin may be taking. Now, Bitcoin is not stopping, okay? It's hit the 50 EMA once, confirmed rise level 1. Now it's pulling up. It hit the 800 EMA, took out the previous pool of liquidity right here. Where's she at? Let me just get rid of this stuff right here because it's too cold, man. I can't be doing this to myself, man. Here we go. Previous pool of liquidity at, where's she at? 34,275, broken above the 800 EMA, but that's not really what you want to be paying attention to. You want to understand right now, what is Bitcoin going to do next? All right, it has made a move away from the 50 EMA, and I was saying in the main trading chat, and I mentioned it over to the patrons as well, that the 13 EMA, all right, on the 1 hour time frame tends to act like the 50 EMA. But we have now had the 50 EMA crossing over the 800 EMA. All right, go watch the last two streams and we had the conversation about why we needed the 50 to break upwards and the 200 to be pointing upwards as well. But we needed a break of the 800 EMA. All right, now because the momentum to the upside is favoring higher prices, we've completely smashed through all the pivot points and prices just operating in a non-stoppable fashion, no different to Ethereum. Okay, but we're not out the woods yet, guys. All right, so how do we understand if we're not out the woods just yet? Well, let's just look at what's going on with price itself. All right, you've got stopping volume at the highs and tap the 800 EMA right there. Price comes away from that zone, retraces stopping volume one more time at the daily open and stays within the psychological high and the psychological low for the sessions. Okay, now Bitcoin's psychological high, whether you have it or not, is 34,507 and Ethereum's is 33,000. Sorry, not Ethereum's. The psychological low is 33,806. Guys, it is absolutely freezing out here. It may be just me, I don't know. All right, but cool. So what do we expect from Bitcoin next? Right, look, there is so much ground for it to travel. Okay, now if I zoom out on the 4 hour time frame, okay, we kind of see the next zones in the chart. I haven't got them up because I've changed my chart itself, but if I zoom out, all right, you're going to see this next pool of liquidity by Bitcoin right here, okay, which takes us towards the 35,400 zone. Okay, that will be the next point of interest. By the time price comes up to that point, we should see the 50 crossing straight over, okay, and the 800 EMA edging upwards, all right, which we then should see a retrace back down to make a continuation to the upside. All right, funnily enough, price sits at the range daily high in that zone. Okay, now we're going into Monday. Right, tomorrow's session may induce a false move week beginning, so that's where we may get the retrace. This may be part of the retrace already. Look at it like this: if price doesn't continue to go up, all right, this may be starting the formation of a M pattern, but this is why that won't happen, because the move to the upside here hasn't appeared with notable volume. Usually you want to see this sort of behavior appearing at the highs, not this behavior. Even if you drop down to the 15-minute time frame, this is what you're going to see. No notable volumes coming up here. Look, they're just building lows at lower longs at lower prices. Okay, then look at this strength of this green vector candle on the 15-minute time frame. All right, red candle, green candle formation shifting out of the zone. Yeah, I'm starting to shift as well because it's bloody freezing. You got stopping volume right here. Now the 50 EMA and the 13 and the 5 are contracted together. We are expecting an expansion away from the psychological high. All right, notice how the zones are quite thin. The psychological high and low are very tight. All right, that tells me that they're setting the range and they're getting ready to make a move towards the upside as long as this zone holds. Okay, considering the RSI and the downside on at the bottom of the chart here, it is just consistent. Look at it. It's just rising and rising, and Bitcoin doesn't look like it's stopping. All right. Flipping over to Ethereum. Look at that. Ethereum now is back at the 800 EMA. Okay. The 200 EMA. And, well, ideally, you want to see the 50 EMA move up. Okay. Now, if we zoom forward, what's this? This was the M pattern that we drew in the previous streams. So I say go back and watch the last 2 streams. Okay. Every time we come to an existing stream. Okay, so it just helps you understand what's going on in the chart itself. So it hit that previous liquidity pool. Now it's pulled back to the 50 EMA, to the 800 EMA. All right, it's still within the psychological zones, and the psychological high for Ethereum is 2193, and the psychological low is 2134. Okay, next pools of liquidity are in and around the 2300 zone. All right, if we look at what Ethereum is doing right now, it spiked the 50 EMA and completely came straight back away from that zone. Okay, going into Monday, guys, all right, they may give us a continuation to the upside, and then Tuesday may reveal the move to the downside. Monday may be another fake move to the upside. Okay, or they will just continue to move, and you have to be cool with that, guys. You have to come to the acceptance that they may just keep moving price up and up until they are satisfied with the liquidity that they have been building in previous sessions, or should I say from the last time it dropped down from the 64,000 mark. All right, now guys, this video is going to be brief. Okay, so it has to be short and sweet because I'm stuck at this car park and I better get out of here pretty soon because people are staring at me thinking, what on earth is this guy doing? Okay, I've literally pulled out my microphone, my laptop, and I'm just going away with the charts. So no, I'm not going to be long. I know I'm cold as well, man. Who's security? You're not security. Sorry guys, that's my mother interrupting me with this. Anyway, listen, mad love to all of you, all right? And can you stop interrupting me? I'm trying to get this done, love. Mother says hi, guys. She's sending love your way, all right? Listen, I hope the video has served purpose, guys, all right? But I didn't want to leave it too late to get this information over to you because I know we've got the Tokyo and the Hong Kong session rolling in. All right, so listen, have a wonderful evening, and when I get back I will try and update you guys again, but we'll be going into Monday tomorrow, so there's no trading for me tomorrow, and we'll be rolling over to Twitch. All right, so guys, listen, if you are new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and just come and follow the journey of Traders Reality. All right, to all the guys who've been with me from day one, mad love and respect to all of you. I'll be speaking to you soon. All right, peace.